Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with another program solution from CodingBat website. So the next program is loneTeen. So let's see what it says. It says we will say that a number is teen if it is in the range 13 to 19 inclusive, that is including 13 and 19 within the numbers, whatever number it will be considered as teen. Given two int values, return true if one or the other is teen but not both. That means we will return true if only one number is teen, and if both number is teen, then we will return false. So with that said, let's see what we can do. We will return if 13 less than equals to a and a less than equals to 19 is not equals 13 less than equals to b and b less than equals to 19. If the following condition matches, that is if a is less than 19 and more than 13 and b is also less than 19 more than 30, we are checking the both condition in both side, and this is not equals, that is none of them should be equal. If both are means non-teen, that is not within 13 and 19, then it will return false, and if both are within 13 to 19, then also it will return false. Means only one condition must match, then it will return true. So with that said, let's check our solution. So here you can see all the conditions is fulfilled by our solution. So if you have any doubt, feel free to comment, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.